Hello, my name is Rishi Bhatt, and I'm an attorney at MNK Law. MNK Law is a boutique law firm based here in Los Angeles County that is committed to empowering businesses to become the best version of themselves. We've seen the pitfalls, the common traps that employers fall into. Our goal today is to avoid one such trap, the failure to meaningfully onboard a new hire. Onboarding is the process of transforming a new hire to become your new employee. Onboarding takes place after you've extended an offer of employment and after the new hire accepts your offer of employment. The onboarding process occurs, or should occur, on the employee's very first day of work. So why care about the onboarding process? One thing we've noted is that employers are often informal about the onboarding process. They basically provide a tour of the facilities and then plop the employee at his or her workstation on the employee's first day of work. But unfortunately, such an informal welcome procedure is bad from an employee retention point of view, as well as legally. Employee retention-wise, such an informal process deprives the employee of a meaningful first encounter impression with the company and its culture. Yes, we know that the new hire interviewed with you and others, and is likely met with others at the company. But that's simply not enough. In hiring, as in life in general, first and second impressions count the most. And if an employee does not feel part of the company from the get-go, they will likely never be. Legally speaking, an onboarding process is necessary to comply with federal and state regulations, which include certain notice requirements that must be met. So now legally wise, what should be part of the onboarding process? Well, two main things. First, the I-9 verification and completion process. As many employers know, the I-9 process is mandated by the United States government and requires that all employers verify that a new hire is legally authorized to work in the United States. The I-9 process must be completed within 72 hours or 3 business days. It must be kept on file at your office in a safe and confidential location. Number 2, it's imperative to provide legally mandated notices to a new hire. So what notices are required? The answer depends in part on each state's laws and on the nature of employee's job. But here in California, the typical onboarding notices for California employees include such items as the W-4 federal tax withholding form, a California Employee Withholding Allowance Certificate, also known as Form DE-4, and a labor code notice to employees. As you can see, the number of required notices is voluminous. In addition, California employers may wish to consider providing copies of the following items to new hires, even though they are not legally required. Onboarding process is a structured process that sets the tone for a new hire on day one. If done correctly, the onboarding process can help foster feelings of connection with the company and help minimize legal liability to an employer. Employers like yourself need a business advisor who is also a knowledgeable attorney. Staying out of lawsuits, setting up your staff for long-term tenure, and for building the future are all interrelated, both from a business and a legal standpoint of view. If we can help you, please visit us at mnklawyers.com or email us at info@mnklawyers.com. We would love to help. Thank you.